T Vlogs back with another vlog, and today we got some NBA Playground. As you can see, let's open the first pack. Oh, map orange. Ooh, Ennis, alright. Trash. Ooh, big boy Steven. George, no. Sorry, Jamal. You're alright. Alright. Second pack. More playground pack openings. More to come. Ooh, AD epic. Let's go. What we get here? John Wall. Let's freaking go. That Kentucky. Strong power. Hey, it's like, ooh, Marcus all decent. Alright, big boy pack. I'm gonna flip ball. Y'all can see before me, alright? Y'all can see before me. Psych, I was watching at the same time. Russell, oh, my man. Part 2, NBA Playground. Make sure you have to do all this license and terms, because you know how we roll. Alright. No, I'm not. Oh, okay, yes, I am. I'm opening more. Alright. Let's open up this first pack. Alright, let's probably do it this way. First pack. Yo, Towns, I'll take that. Second pack. John Stockton, yo! Yo, that's lit. Moutier. Top maker, you know. Keep that in mind, but look who I got. John Stockton. He's actually the one that actually looks, you know, actually like their NBA player. Alright, I'm gonna flip ball here. I ain't gonna look. See, I'm gonna look this way, ready? Shit, I heard a yay. Ooh, no. First of all, we got Blake. He's trash. I've already had him, but I thought this was Russell again. I really want Russell, as you guys can tell. And then we got Melo. Hello, Melo. Bang. Alright, last pack. Nose pack. On my other account, I got better stuff. On Rage Kid, I got a Kevin Durant. Alright, what is this? Garbage. Danny Trash, Ainge, Zach Levine, Ty Lawson, Zach Randolph, and Chris Bosh. Probably the only good players, but you know. Oh, this doesn't make me happy at all. T Vlogs. Out.